Here I have MICROMAX Bolt Q346, and let me show you how to enable here developer options on the following device. At the very beginning, let's use apps icon, choose here the settings, scroll down and find here about phone. Then you need to find the software version. Let's tab a couple of times, and as you can see, you are now a developer. So you can go back and you can here open developer options under printing. Let's enable this feature by using the following switcher, tab OK, and here you can enable OEM Unlocking, you can enable USB Debugging and use other stuff. For example, you can stay awake or you can select debug app. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.